Why is it helpful to keep in mind that taking care of you is not being selfish, it's being practical? Because taking care of your physical and emotional health means you can be more effective. That's why sustainable self-care is being practical. And that's why self-care is time well spent. And you can create a sustainable self-care plan by considering these simple stretching and breathing materials to use at home and at work. First, your self-care plan can include giving yourself a few minutes to practice these free stretching and breathing breaks. Another way is to share the breaks with coworkers, clients, patients, and family members. As you play the audio or the video and practice together, those few minutes become self-care for both you and the other person. And each break has a free handout to share. You may want to pause now to see all the free options. But there is more. You can purchase the standing flip chart of breaks based on these audio and video breaks. You can stand it on your desk as a visual reminder. You also can look at the chart to guide your simple prompts as you practice the breaks with someone. Then they can look at you or at the photos. There is also another flip chart with these same breaks designed for clients, patients, or family members to use. Use this link for more details or to purchase the flip charts. So,